Hi guys, just coming on to show you some of the paper dolls that I've made for the fodder challenge. It's the hashtag fodder. I'll leave the links in the description. I think these come out really nice. I've just made them and hope you like them. Sorry about the light because I'm losing the light here. Try and show you them all. It's so cute. Hope you like them. And my Wicked Witch. Of course I had to make some Halloween ones. Actually both of them are my favourite. I've been making those. I know I've got another video to upload for Kerry's art prompt. I've already done that. I'm just stuck on the quote at the moment. I really don't know what to put on it. So I will be back with that when I've actually done that. Maybe with a quote, maybe with not. But I'm really enjoyed making these little paper dolls. And I love how they come out. I will put some photos at the end of this video, and yeah, I may make some more Halloween ones. They're easy to make up and they're very much fun colouring and organising what to put on them. Lots of different media on there, lots of different stuff used. So yeah, hope you like them. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.